Alright guys, we're back. Got a little maintenance to do on the tractor. We got a job tomorrow. So we're going to do the oil change, fuel filter. We're going to try to get to this piece, change this out. Got a new piece of DOM tubing. It's 1/2 inch thick. That one shouldn't crack. And then I've got my wheel spacers to put on. They're 2 inches in the front and 4 inches in the back. That'll help widen it out and be more stable. So let's get to changing the oil. That was a pain to get off. We got our new one here. So we'll mark our filter. At least the month and the year. I'll never remember it. Well, here's the first spacer up front. This goes right on. Well, that part's done. That really sucked because of all the extra weight, but we got her done. Now we're gonna move on to cutting that bar out up there. So get set up and get ready to do that. So I've got my mower deck on. Got a field to do tomorrow. So we got to sharpen the blades real quick. So, alright guys, all I gotta do is knock the edge down from it hitting rocks and stuff. You know, you don't have to be super sharp. Cut the grass. So, alrighty, let's get to the next part. Alright guys, we're back on the tractor. We've got to cut this tube out because it is cracked. I've welded it a couple times and it just keeps cracking. I've drilled it into the cracks, you know, done everything I could to it. So now we're going to cut that out and put this guy in. We shouldn't be cracking that. That's 3.5 inch DOM, 1/2 inch thick. So let's get to it. Gotta cut it out. Alright guys, we've got it all welded in. A new tube. That one shouldn't be going anywhere. I just got to weld 2 bolts on here for the guard that goes over the hydraulics. Alright guys, we got this little piece of tube in here to protect my threads while I weld it. Just go on right there. Both welded on. Right there, got to clean the little burr off. That's pretty much done. Alright, so we'll let the primer dry for a few minutes and then we'll get the green out. Meantime, I'm going to clean up. Alright guys, I've got my green paint on. Just got to wait for it to dry. For now, this is done. I can get back to moving some rocks around here, moving some dirt. I've got to finish up my landscaping project before winter. So that's it for now guys. Next time we'll be working back on the wrecker behind me, getting ready to put that big winch in. Alright, thanks for watching guys.